When we're talking about energy pyramids, one thing that you should notice is that the amount of energy starts off very high with the producers, but then as it goes up, because it loses 10%, only 10% goes to the next level and 90% goes off as heat, it ends up very low. And the same thing with the amount of organisms. You should see a large amount of producers, and then as you go up with the different types of consumers, you should see a very little amount. So I'm going to help you out filling in this level. So this would be our first trophic level, second, third, and fourth level. So our first level would be our producers. Second level would be our primary consumers. And I'll let you fill in the third and fourth. Don't be confused with primary is your first level consumer. Now, if it says place the organisms in each food chain into the proper location in the energy pyramid. Well, we know it always starts with acorn, with our producer, so our acorn's on the bottom, and it eats what's below it, so then that would be squirrel, crow, coyote. You get the picture. You're going to do the same thing for number 2 and then also number 3. But remember for number 3, you've got to create a 1, 2, 3, 4 level food chain. So you go ahead and do that now. On the back side, you should be able to figure out number 4 based on what we've done so far. And number 5, an easy way to calculate the amount of energy at each level is to, I'm going to say, move the decimal over or add zeros. So let's look at number 6 because that's what we just did. So it says complete the energy pyramid, fill in the organisms and the energy amount to the right. So we know we had acorn, squirrel, crow, and coyote. So it says 1,000 are available at the first trophic level. So 1,000, 100 are at the second, 10 are at the third. How many are at the tertiary? So this is like first level consumer, second level consumer. So notice how we're just taking away a 0. So this would be 1. Now for number 7, you're going to kind of work the back way. So it's saying there are, it fills you in. It's kind of like what you've been doing in math. And number 8 has to do with what you filled in before.